Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ppcwithsagar. So in this video, I'm gonna guide you how you can import Facebook ads lead data to your Google Sheet. So it can be happen with the help of many automation tools. So in market, we have Zapier, Pabbly, but they are a bit costly. But right now the tool which I'm using for automation, so that is Albato. So that's a no code platform. So with the help of that, you can do that. So if you want the link in description, I'll surely mention that. So before importing the data, what we need, first one is we should have at least one Google Ads lead form. Second thing is we already have created Google Sheet. So right now you can see like I have already created that. So you can see I have mentioned all the details in this row. So you have to already created that. And third thing is all about the automation. You can use Pabbly, Zapier according to your convenience. So this is our Albato dashboard. You have to click on create new automation. So then you have to give name of your workflow. So I'm using my client name and the action which I want to perform. Facebook leads to G Sheet. So there are two options, trigger and action. Trigger is basically what data you want to import. So I'm clicking on trigger. Then you have to select Facebook, and within that you have to select lead add API option. So then you have to add the connection. I've already added that. So this is the page name and the form which you want to import the data to Google Sheet. In my case, that is a form 2. Then you have to click on continue. So then you have to choose real-time option and then click on save. Now it's time to test the form. So you have to select your form, open it, and there's an option of test form. So you have to fill the mentioned details. So I'm just okay. Now form has been submitted. Then you have to click on test option. You can see all the details has been imported is right, email, phone number, full name, and about the pricing. So you have to click on continue with the selected data. Trigger has been set up. Now we have to complete the action part. So enter the name, that is a Google Sheet. So then we have to click on create update a row. As I have already created the sheet, so this is the sheet with the random respective details, name, email, phone number, and the pricing. So now I have selected the spreadsheet, and then you have to select a sheet 1. Then you have to click on continue. Then continue again, and you can clearly see all the details from this particular Google Sheet has been imported here. Column email, column phone number, pricing, and all. Now the important part is we have to map all the data from Facebook lead to here. So we have to map column name, then we have to find it out. Name is here. Second is email. That's our email. Third thing is our phone number. That is the phone number we have to select here. This is our phone number. And last thing is all about your concern and the questions. And this is the thing. And all set. You have to click on save. For now, you have to select this option. Don't check for duplicates. Always create a new record. Click on save. Now the important part is for the test. So this is the action part. Column name, your client's name. Column email, the email client have just filled out. Phone number and pricing, all is set. So continue with this data. So if you go to the Google Sheet, you can see the data has been imported from Google Ads lead form to the Google Sheet. So that's how you can do that, and you can start your campaign. So if you found this video helpful, do like, comment, and share.